students, this is book 4, 8th edition, exercise 2C, question number 2. So what is over here? A bag contains 6 red balls and 4 yellow balls. A ball is chosen at random and then put back into the bag. The process is carried out twice. Copy and complete the tree diagram. Okay, so we have to make the tree diagram. So a bag contains 6 red balls. 6 red ball means first of all check what are the total number of balls. 6 plus 4 is 10. So we'll write the total number of balls in the denominator and the 6 red balls. So 6 is over here. Okay? And yellow, 4 yellow balls. So 4 over here, and total number of balls are, we know that 10. So what we have learned, हमेशा हम total probability denominator में रखेंगे, and 6 red तो 6 हमने यहाँ लिखा, 4 yellow balls are over here, so we have written 4 over here. ठीक है? Now what is given over here? A ball is chosen at random and then put back, means ball निकाला और दोबारा उसी ball bag में डाल दिया. ठीक है? So total number of balls हमारे same ही रहेंगे, means 10 तो 10 ही आएगा, इधर भी 10 आएगा, इधर भी 10 and 10. So total probability will remain same. और 6 अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने रेड बॉल पिक किया, अगेन उसको डाल देंगे तो वो भी 6 ही हो जाएंगे अगेन. और अगर हमने येलो बॉल पिक आउट किया और दोबारा उसको डाल दिया, so it will also remain same. So 6 upon 10 and over here 4 upon 10. 6 upon 10 and 4 upon 10. So the total probability will remain same. Okay, now move to part 2. Find the probability of choosing 2 red balls. Part A is 2 red balls. So I am writing part A over here. 2 red balls means this is red, and see I am making circle. This is red and again this is red. हमें ऐसी probability बनानी जिसमें सिर्फ 2 red balls ही हो, no yellow at all. अगर मैं इसको इसके साथ join करूँगी तो yellow आ जाएगा, so this is not. अगर yellow red and yellow yellow नहीं चाहिए, हमें सिर्फ 2 red चाहिए. So I will write 6 upon 10 multiplied by 6 upon 10. ठीक है? So our probability is 6 times 6 is 36 upon 10 times 10 is 100, and if we'll solve by the 4 times table, we'll get 9 upon 25. So our probability is 9 upon 25. Okay, now we'll not write is equals to over here, we'll write bracket. Okay? Now move to part B. What is part B? 1 ball of each color, means we have to choose that probability in which we can find out 1 ball of each color, means red and yellow. We have only 2 colors. So 6 upon 10 red हो गया, so we'll choose yellow. 6 upon 10 multiplied by 4 upon 10, and the second chance is yellow and red. 1 ball of each color. ठीक है? यहाँ हमने red and yellow लिया था, यहाँ yellow red, ये दोनों लेंगे. ठीक है? These 2 and these 2. अगर हम yellow ले लेंगे तो दोनों same color हो जाएंगे. We have to take 1 ball of each color. ठीक है? So I am writing probability red yellow. So probability red yellow plus yellow red. ठीक है? Yellow red. So what is red yellow? Red yellow की probability हमारी थी 6 upon 10 plus multiply 4 upon 10. And what is the probability of yellow red? Yellow red की probability है 4 upon 10 times 6 upon 10. मैंने same numbers वहाँ से copy करके red के नीचे red की probability and yellow के नीचे yellow की probability लिखी है. ठीक है? Now this is for R is for red and Y is for yellow. Now solve these. 6 times 4 is 24 and 10 times 10 is 100, you know, plus 4 times 6 is again 24 and 10 times 10 is 100, and if we'll add together, so probability is equals to 24 plus 24 is 48 upon 100, and if we'll simplify by 4 times table, so we'll get 12 upon 25, and this is our answer. Probability 12 upon 25. ठीक है? Now move to third part. It's part C. A yellow ball on the second row. See what is the question. Please Read the questions very carefully. A yellow ball on the second row. So yellow ball, this is the yellow ball. We are choosing these and these two. Both have yellow ball in the second row. So I am writing over here probability is equals to red yellow plus probability is equals to येलो येलो. ठीक है, दो हमें प्रोबेबिलिटीज लेनी है. एक रेड के साथ येलो आ रहा था, हमने प्रोबेबिलिटी डायग्राम में देखा, और एक येलो. प्रोबेबिलिटी रेड येलो एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी येलो येलो. सो नाउ आई एम राइटिंग द वैल्यूज. यू नो रेड की प्रोबेबिलिटी 6/10 एंड येलो की प्रोबेबिलिटी 4/10. दोनों के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है. वी नो वेरी वेल कि जब दोनों के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है, सो वी हैव टू ऐड मल्टीप्लाई. Then again write plus sign, write probability for P for probability, then 4/10 times 4/10. If we'll multiply, so we'll get 6 times 4 is 24/100 plus 16/100. If we'll add together, we'll get 40/100. Just cancel 0 from both sides. Simplify by the 2 times table and we'll get 2/5 as our final answer. So we have completed question number 2. Thanks for watching my video.